All right, let's now take a look as to what is unfolding in Brazil, where according to the latest reports, about 35,000 people are said to have lost their lives in Brazil due to COVID-19. And also over 650,000 people have been infected. At the current rate, one Brazilian is said to be dying from COVID-19 pretty much every single minute. But President Jair Bolsonaro is unmoved. He wants the governors to withdraw the stay-at-home orders, and he wants people to get back to work. On Friday, Bolsonaro criticized the anti-government protesters, calling them as outcasts and terrorists who are ignorant about the economy.
Geralmente são marginais, terroristas, maconheiros, desocupados, que não sabem o que é economia, não sabem o que é trabalhar para ganhar o seu pão de cada dia. E querem quebrar o Brasil em nome de uma democracia que eles nunca souberam o que é e nunca zelaram por ela.
Brazil's worst affected city of Sao Paulo has eased many of its lockdown restrictions. Some businesses such as car dealerships have now been allowed to reopen for about 4 hours every day. Despite the strict health protocols, there is also fear of a rapid surge in the number of cases. Sao Paulo has reported over 5,000 deaths from COVID-19 and the city's health infrastructure is reportedly on the brink of collapse. Mass graves are, of course, becoming a bit of a common sight in Brazil, and experts believe that the actual death toll could be much higher than the officially given figures. Many people in Brazil are simply not taking the pandemic seriously. They're refusing to wear face masks and maintain social distancing. The reason is, of course, their own president, who has dismissed the coronavirus infection as nothing more than a mild flu. Now, Bolsonaro is Donald Trump's admirer by his own admission. He's looking to follow in Trump's footsteps and sever Brazil's ties with the World Health Organization. The WHO has warned Brazil against lifting the lockdown restrictions too early, and this criticism has, of course, not gone down well with the Brazilian president. Bolsonaro has accused the WHO of having an ideological bias and has threatened to pull out of the UN body. Now, Donald Trump doesn't seem too impressed with what's happening in Brazil, though. On Friday, Trump rejected theories of herd immunity and said that Brazil was actually having a pretty hard time.
We saved possibly 2 million, 2.5 million lives. Now, it could have been 1 million lives. I don't think anything less than that. But if you think we're at 105 million today, the 105,000 today, that would mean at the lowest number, it would be 10 times that amount. And I think everybody believes the least, if we went herd, as they say. And if you look at Brazil, they're having a very hard time. And by the way, they kept bringing up Sweden. It's come back to haunt Sweden. Sweden's having a terrible time.